Hello everyone, my name is Andrei from PAGODA-BUILD, Vietnam and PAGODA-BUILD USA, and today we want to tell you about our new material, which we call lava. It's actually lava basalt, which is very popular among our US clients, Spanish clients, and it's super popular on Korea market.
So this is how the quarry, typical quarry, one part of the quarry. It's like big area, and they have many places where they get the stone. So this is one of them. It's how it typically looks like. So you can see behind me some blocks. You can get even quite a big size of the block. This is a machine like excavators with drilling equipment, which they use to kind of drill the rock and get the stone out of it. And this is how the quarry wall look like. Unlike the typical basalt, which is without holes and like more kind of solid with a high density, it has kind of hexagon, like big long elements, very structured shape. This one is quite messy, so you can see this is just a mass of stone, and between different parts there are empty area, or sometimes it's soil, sometimes it's crack. So with these machines, they get blocks of different size. If possible to get big, they will get big size. If not, they will get small size, and everything will go for the processing to the factory, which is also nearby, to do different kind of product. Interesting fact that the higher part of the higher layers of the quarry is the material have big holes, which they call honeycomb. Then when you go down a little bit, it become ant hill with the small holes, and if go even more down, so become like normal basalt. Without any holes. But the advantage and the kind of special thing about this material is about these holes, and actually the most expensive and valuable one is the material with the biggest holes, because it looks special, beautiful, but also because it's rare, so you don't get this much of this stone with the big holes. So this is how the quarry look like, and go back to factory.
This material is beautiful and not expensive in the same time. So we believe this stone, if you buy it for your stock or your project, will make your business more successful. Let's come closer and I will explain you more details. This material goes in two types. We call it B holes, like bee, which has like kind of pores which are similar to sods, where the bees produce honey. And end holes, which is like super small holes. On the finished product, it's irregular, so sometimes there is no hole, sometimes there is small, like this, like here or here. In mass, for example, if you will order one or several containers, usually it goes mixed, which has its charming and beauty. But by request, with a slightly increased price, we can separate, or at least pack separately. One part is with end holes, another part with B holes. So later, when you install, you can decide how it will look like in order to suit your projects and demands. There are several types of processing of lava basalt. First one is just sawn, cut without any processing. It's also quite beautiful, but the disadvantage is that on end holes you can see the scratches from the cutting disc, which is from one side disadvantage, from another side it has its charm as well. Actually, if you put it in mass, imagine it will be like mixed scratches, let's say. That's the cheapest option. Second option, with slightly increased, like around $1.5 per square meter, it's light honed, which removes the scratches from the disc and makes the color revealed more. It becomes more dark. And the third option is even more honing, close to polishing, which totally removes the scratches from the disc. But maybe difference in price will be maybe $2–2.5 per square meter. So we recommend you to stick to slide hone, which reveals the color and in the same time almost removes the scratches from the disc. And one more type of product, we will insert pictures in this video, which is super popular on South Korean markets, is irregular shape pavers which are tumbled in the water. It makes the size goes like from 200, the width 200 to 400, and the length like 400–600 millimeters. The stone is beautiful, not expensive, and quite unusual because of the end and B holes. So, as I told you before, it's super popular in Korean market, in Australia, in United States, and in Spain. Actually, these samples we prepared for our Spanish client. So we believe this stone will be a great addition to your stock program or to any of your projects where this color and this type of holes will suit. And since lava basalt is most popular on outdoor area, let's have a look how it looks like after the rain. So, rain, here you are. Okay, so you can see that it becomes black. Yeah, so don't forget this is cut, light honed, more honed. So you can see scratches are still visible, but it's still beautiful. But we recommend you this type honed with number 200, light honing, no scratches. Amazing stone. Don't miss opportunity to be one of the first who will buy it. If you have any questions, contact us in any convenient way and we will reply, and we will give more comments and send you more pictures and more videos. Thank you very much for your attention.